Now, when it comes to gut health, there's two words that you've probably heard lots of. That's probiotics and prebiotics. So what are they both? Well, probiotics are the actual little bugs. So these are the beneficial, mostly bacteria, that are really good for us. They live inside our gut, mostly low down right in the colon, and they ferment the foods that we can't digest, essentially. So that's the probiotics. Now, you can take the probiotics themselves, either as a supplement, and you'll also find them in some fermented foods. So even things like a traditional yogurt, in kefir, and in those lovely sort of fermented foods and drinks like sauerkraut and kimchi, and even kombucha. But it's not just about taking the bugs themselves. You want to help flourish the bugs that are already in your gut, and in many ways that's even more important. And that's where prebiotics come in. So think of prebiotics as being the food for fueling those beneficial bacteria. So what are prebiotics? Essentially, they're fermentable fibers. So not all fibers in food are fermentable, and it's making sure you've got enough fermentable ones and that you've got enough of a variety of those different fiber types. So here's some of the best foods to get them in. Legumes, so that's beans and lentils and chickpeas. Nothing's wrong with using the canned varieties for convenience. Cooked and cooled grains. So here I've got some brown rice that's been cooked and cooled, and that forms resistant starch, which is one of the most important prebiotics. And the same is true of potatoes. If you cook and cool your potatoes, you'll get the same result. And then of course you want lots of other plant foods, so your fruits, your veggies, your nuts and your seeds. So have a plant-rich diet, and you can be sure it's going to be a prebiotic-rich diet.